Welcome to this tutorial on orthographic projections. Today we'll learn how to create orthographic views from isometric drawings. Let's start by understanding what orthographic projection is. An orthographic projection shows an object from three standard views: the front view, top view, and side view. These views are arranged in a specific way to show the complete shape of the object. Let's look at our first example. This is an isometric drawing of a simple object. Notice how it's drawn on a grid where each block represents 2 units. To create the orthographic views, let's start with the front view. This is what you see when looking directly at the front of the object. Next, the top view shows what you'd see looking down from above. Finally, the side view shows what you see from the right side. Now, let's look at our second example. This object has curved surfaces and a hole. When drawing orthographic views of objects with hidden features, we use dashed lines to show edges that would normally be hidden from that view. Remember, when creating your drawings, 1 grid block on your paper equals 2 blocks in the isometric drawing. Don't forget to include a simple border around your completed drawings, and make sure your views are properly aligned with each other. And that's how you create orthographic views from isometric drawings. Remember to take your time, measure carefully, and maintain proper alignment between views. Good luck with your drawings!